Did you know that avocados are considered a superfood? Hey there, beautiful mamas. Are you ready to supercharge your health and glow from the inside out? Well, grab your favorite knife and cutting board because you're about to embark on a delicious journey, the 30-day avocado challenge. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of avocados and why eating one every day for a month can be transformative for your health. Many of us struggle with issues like low energy, poor digestion, and skin problems. But what if I told you that incorporating avocados into your daily diet could help? Now, I know what you're thinking. Another health trend? But trust me, this isn't just any fad. As a busy mom myself, I'm always on the lookout for simple, effective ways to boost our family's health. And let me tell you, avocados are like nature's little green powerhouses. So what exactly happens when you eat an avocado every day for a month? Buckle up, because the results are going to blow your mind. First up, girl, let's talk about that skin. Avocados are like nature's moisturizer, packed with vitamin C and E and omega-9 fatty acids. This magical combo helps maintain your skin's elasticity, firmness, and moisture. Imagine waking up every day with that natural, radiant glow. No filter needed, just you and your beautiful, glowing skin. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They contain vitamin E, C, K, and B6, as well as folate, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients contribute to overall well-being and can help address many common health issues. Cholesterol? Not in this house. Now let's talk about something that hits close to home for many of us: cholesterol. Studies show that eating avocados regularly can lower the bad LDL cholesterol and blood triglycerides by up to 22%. That's right, sisters. One avocado a day could be your ticket to a healthier heart. It's like a natural, delicious way to love on your cardiovascular system. By eating an avocado a day for a month, you might notice significant improvements in your skin's radiance, better digestion, and increased energy levels. And get this, the healthy fats in avocados can also help keep you fuller longer, aiding in weight management. So, to recap, eating an avocado every day can lead to healthier skin, better digestion, and more energy. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. Why not give it a try? Incorporate an avocado into your diet every day for a month. Save this video and come back and let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And remember to always check with your doctor concerning things pertaining to your health. We are not doctors. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.